Kung sa Mets, the contract was signed last year. 2 years ago pa namin pinlock yun. So, naghanap talaga tayo ng facilities who will accommodate us. No? So, fortunately, yung Mets nag-offer. Marami nag-offer actually. So, isa yung Mets. So, mahirap kung maging choosy. So, kailangan grab agad. Marami tayong kasunod sa likod. Nandun, marami naghahanap, hindi lang tayo. South African countries, other countries, North American countries. So, magaling din yung connect natin doon. So, nakakuha tayo. Kaya lang, medyo kinapos tayo ng without the coordination with related to budget. So, hindi tayo nakapag-down and everything. So, paubos yung facilities na available. But may na-secure pa rin sa atin. So with that, even the entire kitchen will be given to us. No? Dadala lang tayo ng we're still looking for a chef or cook sa Paris. Kaya baka charge tayo per hour. Euro yun per hour, no? Baka mas cheaper na Pinoy na nasa France, baka mas costly. So mas mura pa yung yes, kinukumpute namin yung flight and visa lang kailangan, madali naman kumuha. So baka mas cheaper at mas magaling pa kung adobo at sinigang tinola lang, depende sa nutritionist natin, walang kasama. So ang kasama po doon, nutritionist and all PTs of all sports involved. Okay? So that doesn't mean na lahat ng kasama doon, kasama officially sa Paris. Hanggang ano lang sila, hanggang dun sa Mets, sa training camp, up to July 22 or 23. But still, we're working na they can extend they once because it's only 1 hour, more than 1 hour and 10 or 15 going to Paris via train. And the train station in Metz is the most beautiful train station in France if you will Google it. So, lahat alis po ng schedule. We will be having the June 21 send-off. Then, the following day, June 22, we leave na yun to the training camp. 1 month before. Yung iba, gagaling ng States. Yung iba, sabi mo gagaling kung saan sila the training. Like, our boxers, they're now in Colorado for preparation sa Thailand last qualifying for the last 4 boxers. After that, babalik pa dito, then punta ng Mets. Then after Mets, maybe they have an invitation from Germany to have sparring. Sa Mets, part of your answers on your question, they provide everything. All equipments to be used in Paris, they will procure that for our use. All facilities they will provide. Kung hiwa-hiwalay man, of course, nakahiwalay yung Olympic pool, they will shatter the swimmers natin. Nakahiwalay yung golf course, they will shatter. Nakahiwalay yung shooting range, they will shatter. But the main hub will be in Metz. All other facilities are within reach, 15 to 20 minutes by car or by bus.
Thank you. Ombapog, since the CDM is Cavite Governor John Picurimil, will he be staying in the training camp for the duration of the preparations?
He attended our first briefing the other day for the Olympic journey, and he's scheduled to be with us during the send-off and the departure on 22. Then, kahit ako, babalik ako after 28 nung torch, babalik na kami dito. Pag nakasettle na yung mga atleta doon, everything. Kompleto na ba yung sibuyas o yung mga lulutuin, bigas. Balik na kami dito, nandun yung mga PTs and everything. Kasi haba eh. So balik na lang kami ng July.
Pero si Cavite, will he be there at the same time?
Kasama namin sa 22 pagpunta.
Okay. So that there's
Kaya nga sabi ko, babalik kami then as some duties as LGU. Then balik again on the D-Day, then July up to the end of closing na.
yeah, even as you were saying, even as we speak, the rowers are competing in Korea, South Korea. Our overseas track and field athletes have meets ongoing right now, like the Mount Sac and the Wake Forest Invitational. So Lauren Hoffman, Eric Craig, Christina Knott are over there. Then we're also having our shooters in Doha, Qatar, and of course gymnastics. The last leg of the World Cup Series opened yesterday with the qualifications, and we have possibly Emma Malabuyo in the floor exercise because she's running second on that. So, yung pong ating relative to our last question and give to our colleagues, yung pong how many are we, since ngayon, malalaman natin at least siguro we may by the end of the week. And of course, si Bianca Paglanganan is competing in the Chevron Golf Championships. She's number 38 in the top 16. So, baka by this week, baka malalaman natin, baka may additional na tayo.
Is sure. Hindi pala na-announce.
Yeah. But
Bianca sure.
siya number 38, siya sa top
Kinousap
16.
na kami ng IOC ba? Ng IGF.
International Golf Federation.
Kinousap kami, bakit daw hindi namin sinama sa best estimate yung dalawa?
Opo.
Si Tabuen at saka si
Opo.
Erdina.
Oh.
So it means malamang pumasok yung dalawa as reserve.
So we have 3 at the very least. Ma'am, kay Ma'am Jane. So you've started with the kickoff yesterday of the 100 days in celebration of the centennial jubilee of the Philippine delegation participating. What other activities and programs have you lined up to raise the prominence of our centennial celebration in the in the Paris Olympic Games?
Yan how my channel said answer.
Okay. Si Ate Shen.
Sige po.
Magandang hapon po,
Okay.
President
And I give way to our
Um,
colleagues.
and Sec Gen Marta. Marami po, meron po kaming documentary that we're actually producing leading up to the Olympics. Kaya nga po kami sinama rin ni President Bambol. Imagine our reporters will be embedded and will really document kung ano po ang ginagawa ng mga atleta natin dun sa loob ng training camp ng MENS. Kasama rin po kami sa pagbuo ng event leading up to dun sa send-off po ng ating mga kababayan at ng ating head of government. Nandun din po yun, so we're ready to cover all of that. But ngayon ka lang po, I'm happy to say na kasama po kami dun sa pagbuo ng campaign ng isang daong laban para sa bayan. Alam mo, it's so really momentous na, di ba, it's been 100 years since we've joined the Olympics. Ganun po ba talaga yun? France noon, makaikot, di ba? France ngayon. So it's so important for us to be part of that. Ang suporta ng marketing, and opo, very, very, and nakalatag po, araw-araw po ngayon, na-flag na po namin, lahat po ng plataforma namin, digital and free-to-air and pay, will speak about our athletes. I mean, it's going to be a whole campaign leading up to the opening and the start of the Olympics competition. Marami po, meron po kaming it's a 13-part mini-series that we're building. Hopefully, yung first 8 nandun sa Mets at makakarating ang panahon yung episode 9 hanggang 13 matapos. Kasama nyo kami doon. So, we really appreciate, salamat sa lahat ng kaibigan namin sa media. And we really hope you also help us promote not only our programs, so yung gagawin namin, but lahat po ng programa ng POC in support of our contingent to the 2024 Olympics. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Dagdagan ko lang ng konti ano. Pinaghandaan talaga ng France yung kasi ang bidding ng Olympics is 8 years before. Di ba? 8 years before. So alam nila nung 1924 sila yung nag-host. So by hook or hook talagang kailangan manalo sila sa bidding 8 years ago dito sa 2024 para 100 years. No? Parang yung sa China, Beijing, 2008 talagang sinigurado na ng year 2000 para makuha nila yung 2008 dahil doon sa 888 August, etc. Di ba? Talagang pinaghahanda niya, planning talaga.
Good morning para kay Miss Jen Casas, para sa iyo po ito. You know, signal or Channel 5 TV is loaded with programs. So, is it possible perhaps that all the exploits or the gains of the Filipinos right in Paris will be telecast and give the Filipinos the chance to watch the game of the Filipinos right in their own salas and living room?
Yan. So, right now po, we are actually in the tail end of our discussion with the official rights holder for the Olympic Games, which is Dentsu. Unfortunately, we don't have the final agreement yet, but we're doing our best, we're trying our best with the support of our chairman, Manuel V. Pangilinan, and of course, the POC to secure the rights. Kasi po, ang objective namin is put as many games, particularly the games where the Filipinos are competing in all available platforms. So these platforms include free-to-air. Alam niyo naman po na meron kaming dedicated sports channel, which is RPTV. So sigurado yan, pag nakuha namin yung rights, pati po yung One Sports sa aming digital free-to-air platform. And then of course, Signal, kung magawa po namin successful ang pag-uusap namin with Dentsu, ang tinitingnan po namin as many as 18 channels, right? Bringing as the most comprehensive coverage of the games. Pero ang priority namin, yung Filipino athletes.
Is the partnership of POC and Signal is confined only to 2024 Paris Olympics, or it is possible that someday Channel 5 or Signal will also telecast world-class international competition where the Filipinos are actively involved. Like, for instance, the forthcoming IMAD this coming November. It's also a 4 years competition like the Olympics. The Filipinos will compete in 25 sports with almost 300 athletes. So it is possible to cover all those events.
Sir, anything is possible, no? Ang ina-assure namin, if you are familiar with kasi ang TV, unfortunately, ang TV, medyo limitado ang inventory. Kasi airtime yan, di ba? But we have other platforms that we have built over the past couple of years to allow us to deliver as much sports content as we can. So, ang pinaka-powerful ngayon, ang home of Filipino sports is actually Pilipinas Live. Can you imagine dati, basketball ang nakikita natin sa UAAP. Ngayon lahat, from football to fencing to high school basketball, high school volleyball. So, binibuild po namin yung platforms namin para merong avenue, no, yung mga atleta natin, whether students or professional athletes, to showcase their talents and for the country to be inspired with the power of sports.
Para kay Paul, kung President, sa isa lang, you want more participation in Paris Olympics. So, now, the qualifying windows ends on June 30. So, is it possible that the number of participants in the last Olympics also will be surpassed by the 24 Paris Olympics?
With all our prayers, siguro, lalampasan natin yung Tokyo delegates. Hindi lang June, parang yung basketball na, July pa eh. Di ba? July pa, basketball eh. Hindi June. Hindi end of June. May July pa, may pahabol pa. Some international federation announces huli na eh. They count the wild card, kung patas ba, fairly distributed recruited ba yung athletes, kulang ba yung sa Asia, kulang ba sa region, yung mga representation. So, doon sila na kumukuha ng wildcard. So, may mga last minute ano pa yun.
Thank you so much, Kong.
Next slide.
Kung Dennis Silanga from Radyo Pilipinas. Kung very special tong Olympics because this is the 100th year ng ating mga Filipino athletes. Aside po dun sa mandated by law na mga incentives na makukuha, meron po bang special incentives or additional from the POC kasi nga 100 years natin to ngayon?
Definitely. Kasi nung umupo naman ako, laging meron, whether SEA Games, Asian Games, especially Olympics. Definitely meron yan. Yung ups and downs, pinag-uusapan namin ni Sec Jim kung saan kayo maghanap ng house and lot sa gold medalist.
Sige po.
Follow up dun sa sponsor ko, Branding Along Understand. Attorney, since kayo daw pala yung mga in charge sa incentives, meron na ba tayong mga kausap na mga private entities or individuals to help us with coming up with incentives at competitors?
Good noon, everyone. So, we all know that the fundamental ng all organizations and especially these competitions, ang important yung financial aspect. So, way back 2 years ago, nung kami umiikot po ni President Bambol throughout France to search for the venues perfect for the training camp. And the previous years, I think that was January 2020, we signed the agreement with Mets knowing na wala pa kaming pondo. No? Lakas loob po ni President Bambol na kunin to kasi nahuhuli na po tayo. We might lose this opportunity. But we were all relieved through the help of Signal through this partnership. And from there on, tuloy-tuloy po yung support ng mubuo sa atin. So for the financial assistance and incentive for the athletes, there's SMART who help us naman for that specific purpose. So maraming salamat din po, SMART.
May follow-up.
We're still waiting for PSC if they will pitch in because it's their mandate. Kaya lang marami pang tinitimpla na they should. They should. Mahirap naman kung hindi sila nasa loop, di ba? As government funded. What else? Private, the parade uniform will be designed by Francis Libiran, the parade uniform. We will reveal all those tracksuits, parade uniform in the next coming months.
Aside from mga platforms po ng Signal and may mga nilay na po bang activities ang POC for the fans, no? This is 100 years before the
The send-off, important send-off June 21. We already submitted our invitation to the Office of the President for sumagot lang na ini-evaluate na yung program. Yes, that's all in na yun. Olympic Day, 23, so in-adjust na natin ng 21. Parang birthday mo, minsan walang na-adjust mo sa linggo mo sa celebrate. Parang gano'n. So, para umabot din kami sa Olympic Day sa Paris. May magandang ano rin yan.
Kung sorry, follow-up lang po. It is too lucrative kasi yung house and lot for the athletes na mag-compete. So, confirm lang po natin kung habang may kinakausap kayo, sigurado na po ba talagang mapapili?
Nagawa namin nung Tokyo. Nagawa ko nung Tokyo personally. We gave 4, di ba? 4 house and lot. So, nagawa ko nun. Bakit hindi ko magagawa? Hindi ko confirm pero bakit hindi ko magagawa?
Sige po.
Gasser rin po, Maylin po from One Sports. For Attorney Wharton, sir, what are the advantages of having mag-training yung whole team sa Mets?
Siyempre, first of all, yung acclimatization ng weather. 2, different time zones. So, it's, I think, 6 hours time difference ng Manila and Paris. So, kung dito po nag-aagahan tayo, tutulog pa. So, malaking difference with that. Especially kung nandun na sila, avoid na natin yung jet lags. Avoid na rin natin yung unnecessary delays po. So, ang laki po ng tulong po ng training camp natin. And of course, we are also in agreement with them na even though later part pa ng competition yung events, we will still maximize our stay in Mets. So, malaking tulong po yun.
Yeah, remember, hindi naman sabay-sabay yung games niya, no? So, athletes will be allowed to enter Athletes Village 3 days before. Okay? So, kung ang laro ko August 1 pa, 2 or 3, hindi pa ako pwede pumasok sa athletes. So, nasaan ako? Nandun ako sa Mets. So, kahit natapos na yung contract ng July 22, they will still extend those. At saka pwede pa rin bumalik. Maaga ka naman naglaro, natapos. One day after, pwede paalisin ka na eh. Diba? Ganun po, papaalisin ka na sa Athletes Village. So, saan ka naman pupunta kung gusto mo pang mag-cheero, makibalita or what, mag-stay pa doon. Huwag naman marites na diba? Maximize your stay. You can go back to Mets. You can go back to Mets. So, basta lang ma-register agad namin beforehand na babalik, mag-i-stay ng matagal.
Ang follow-up question na po ba? Aside po doon sa mga advantage na naman, do you think it's also an advantage na sama-sama yung buong Philippine delegation to help their camaraderie na patulong din sila sa institution?
Definitely, the cooperation among their peers is very important. It plays a vital role for these athletes. And one of our agreement with the Mets or Department of Alamusal is to isolate the Filipino among Filipinos. Hindi natin makikipag-haggle with other athletes from different countries. Just to makikita nila yung natin, yung preparation natin. So definitely, magiging yung bonding ng or tulungan when it comes to the mental health, emotional, as well as yung kanilang strong mindset will comes a huge play or huge role in this training camp.
So, relative, will you have a more or less a Mets camp director? Have you designated somebody who will be looking? Can you name them now? If or no?
Hindi pa namin makompleto kasi nga we're looking for a chef or cook.
Yes.
Okay? So hindi naman pwedeng cook lang. Alam ka naman siya pa rin ang mamalengke. Siya pa rin ang magtatagtad. Siya pa rin ang di ba? Dapat may alala yung kahit dalawa, marketer or what, di ba? Tatlo. Kaya you can volunteer. Basta fluent kayo pagdating sa supermarkets and farm.
Last question. This is definitely the last question. Regarding the training camp. Let's say each athlete, the boxers have their sports psychologists, they have their nutritionists, and their physical. Will each for every sport will you be accommodating? For example, yung weightlifting, meron din nutritionist, physical condition, blah blah blah. Will those from each and every sport be accommodated?
If badly needed, talagang kailangan. Kaya meron kaming deadline. May meeting ulit kayo mamaya after this. Para deadline to submit all those needed. Yun nga yung sinabi ko kayo na kahit 10 yung pinadala mo, therapist, kasi masaya ka, therapist, nutritionist, psychologist, yes, etc. Personal coach, yes, we will. Pero hindi namin sinasabi na you will have accreditation dun sa games.
Yes.
Kasi limited lang yon, 4 lang yon. 2 PTOs and 2 Ps. Okay? So may iwan yung 6. It's either bumalik na kayo Kung yun ang nilagay nyo sa ticket na round trip, or extend pa kayo after the game. You can stay on that.
Maraming salamat.
Hello. Furthermore, I will add, before we agreed to the venue, we oculared the whole place, and we made sure that the environment in Mets would fill in all the sports that we think are possible to be played by the Filipino athletes. That is why all the venues, especially gymnastics, athletics, swimming, boxing, weightlifting, meron po silang definite na tools, equipment, venue, Olympic regulated for us to use on that specific training venue. And aside from that, they offered us sparring partners for those competition who has, who needs or necessary sparring partners. And they will also give us all the sports lab, everything we need. So ano po, napakaganda po ng venue, even mass hall po.
And we thank you, all our members of the media, for all those questions. To close